Where am I off to today? I'm off trimming again. I'll be trimming Mara's emasculated, or whatever the word is, for knocked around hoof for the first time since she's had the shoe off, since she had that horrific accident. Then I'm going to trim trees, so hopefully I can get some good shots of this rehabbed foot, and then the next on from there will be when she has her first ride. She's allowed to be ridden, the vet reckons, but only in straight lines, no pressure on the hoof. So let's see how we go. In the meantime, stay well, wealthy, healthy and wise. Catch you later. Bye. We're going to have a look at this foot if you'll let me. It's all nice and damp now, and you really need to trim, don't you?
Hey. See? She's gonna bite me a couple of times today.
That's because you've taken her away from the boys.
No, she's in season. The way she's behaving at the moment, I can definitely see Bonnie's behaviour. Yeah.
Steady, baby.
No, that's alright.
Steady, babe. Can we cut the cat chatter out? Steady now. Steady. It's actually mostly raspable from here. Steady, babe. Good girl. Look at this here. Steady now. Woohoo! Is here. Unbelievable. Really. Hey? It's almost like a normal hoof.
Wow, that's amazing, isn't it?
Yeah. Right, put it down there for me. It's the other one that's grown really long. Come here, kid. Yeah, there's a girl. Put him here. Right, this heel has grown really long this side.
Considering she basically cut off
Steady now.
her heel on the medial size, that hook's looking pretty good.
Stop being a bitch. We've nearly got it, kid. Yes, sir. Come on, pick him up. Good girl. I reckon that'll do for the first trim. On that foot. Unbelievable. Really unbelievable. Steady now, Mars. Yeah, look at that. Put it up here for me. Kid, up here. Lift your head up there. Come on. That's a girl. Up. Come on, up. That's a good girl. Bring down here. That's a girl. Look at that. That's all this here is what was removed and has grown back. Unbelievable. Yeah, look at that. Oh shit. Excuse me, YouTube, for saying that word. Guess look, I've only got to take a little bit more off, babe. Come on. Come on up. Good girl, come on. Yeah, that's pretty good, actually. Right, I've got to do this one now. The Buddha survived, the plants, all the plants survived. When I cut out this mother, I mean this one, that was hanging right out over here, hanging up here. And this main one, as you can see, was hanging back that way, but I managed to haul it out along here. And there's all the brush off it. Or the head, as we call it in Oz. Well, bit of sawdust. Wonder where that come from. There's the big mama.
These gums or eucalypts have a habit of dropping limbs. So the little blokes have been camping under this tree, so it was decided to cut them off before they dropped off.
We cleaned off that one, we cleaned off them, that, all the timber down here, heads or brush, as the Yanks call it, the brush off the top, the brush off the end in this case. See where the fibres have stretched, so I actually cut there on purpose. I left this here so that when I cut down here, it would pull the branch in that direction. Got another one off here, somewhere, I cut one off. Did that good a job, I can't even see it. Another one up there, same thing. Now Pauline's happy, I think. Pauline happy?
Yes, very happy.
Yeah. Just got to take out the big fella up there when Marge isn't around. So that's all from me and that's all from him. A trimming day. Oh, I don't even, look at that. Where's the rest?